is it? Do you have any more magic tricks, Abby?
Yeah.
You need to do another one?
But this time,
Do not look. Okay. Take some.
really doesn't do it.
Okay. Take some setup. Abby, quick, quick.
It fell on my ear.
All right. Do you have anything to say to the people?
It's illusion. And I got one more trick, but it might be the same one.
Okay. It might be the same one. Oh, okay. Let me see. Oh.
That
You having some technical difficulties?
No.